So first year Bcom computer applications. So first semester FIT, fundamentals of information technology or IT. So first year, so today we discuss about input output devices. So what are the compulsory essay type question? So what are the different types of input output devices used in a computer? So what is input device and what are output devices? So what is input devices? What are input devices? Means input devices are mainly used to accept or accept data or information from the users to send it to the processing unit or CPU by using some devices. They are called as input devices. So they simply accept the data or information from the user by using input devices and send it to the data to the CPU for processing. So these are the popular input devices we have used. So first one is keyboard. It is a compulsory essay type question from first unit. First one is keyboard. Second one is monitor. So the third one is mouse. Fourth one is printer. Fifth one is scanner. Webcam or digital camera. Stylish joystick. Trackball. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకి పాపులర్ ఇన్పుట్ డివైజెస్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఇన్పుట్ డివైజెస్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇస్ కీబోర్డ్, మానిటర్, మౌస్, printer, scanner, webcam or digital camera, joystick, trackball. So this device is divided into two parts. First one is input devices and second one is output devices. Some of them are also both input and output devices. So first one is keyboard. Keyboard is the standard input output device which have some 104 keys like function keys, alt keys, control keys, shift, function and escape key, and combination of all the other keys like alphabets, digits, and combination of alt, shift and control keys. సో కీబోర్డ్ అనేది జనరల్గా 108 కీస్ ఉంటుంది. కీబోర్డ్ ఇస్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఇన్పుట్ డివైస్. కీబోర్డ్ ఇస్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ ఇన్పుట్ డివైస్ which is used to connect to a computer and simply write to programs and code or instructions. So what are input devices? Input device is any hardware component that allows you to enter data into a computer. Widely used input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital camera. So standard input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanners, joystick, mic, and digital cameras like that. So what is the function of input devices? Means they simply accept the data or information from the user and send it to the information in the binary form or digital form to the CPU or processor for processing. So generally keyboard is the standard input device or most commonly used input device. It is used to type something on a computer or type something on the any wordpad or any MS Word editor. And generally all the keyboards have alphabets capital A to Z and small a to Z and 0 to 9 numeric keys. Function keys F1 to F5, escape key, tab key, shift key, control key, alt key, and special keys also. So you may use a combination of all these things, combination of control, alt, shift plus along with alphabets and digits And other keys on the keyboard are escape key, tab key, shift key, control key. All these are other keys. So arrow keys are used to move around on a computer or any notepad or any wordpad or any desktop by using left, right, top, bottom arrow. So generally keyboards have 108 keys, and these keys generally keyboards are keyboard connectors are of two types: USB type and serial port. And another important keyboard or input device is mouse. What is a mouse? Mouse is a mechanical, electrical, and electromagnetic device. It is having two buttons, left button and right button. Left button and right button and some scroll bar. And generally left button is used to select some object or some icon or application. And by pressing right button we may see the properties of the object or icon. Generally keyboard operations are there are two types of operations: single click and double click. Single click means selecting the object, whereas the double click means running the object or running the application or program. By pressing right button we may see the properties of an object. And mouse is also one of the important input device. Its most of used is to select the desktop items, icons, applications. So mouse is also called as a pointing device. Pointing device means by using some pointer we may select various objects or icons and applications like that. So mouse clicks are generally mouse having two buttons like left and right button. And another button is a scroll bar button, which is also used to scroll up, down, right, left document. So all these operation events through output devices processed and displayed. So these are the standard operations of standard working of a mouse. So these two, keyboard and mouse, are the most popular input and input devices. Mouse is also called as a pointing device. Pointing device. Why? Because we are using some cursor. Because we are using some cursor to display and scroll or mouse or scroll on the keyboard. So another popular important input device is scanners. What is a scanner and what are the differences between Xerox and scanners? So Xerox is a machine. It is also an electronic machine used to simply take the hard copy of the image or a picture or a document in the form of a computer, in the form of a computer file like JPG, JPEG, like that. So scanner is also an input device. Scanner can scan the data as an input action or event and put the output at the desktop as usually scanning, imaging, and so scanners are generally used to store the hard copy or copy of the document or a paper in the form of some computer file like JPG, JPEG, PNG, and other formats. So by using these scanned copies or scanned files, means in the form of BMP, JPG, JPEG, we may send these files into other users by using some email IDs or by simply using these scanned files in the form in any applications like uploading your photos, uploading your documents in the form of computer files like JPG, JPEG, BMP. అంటే స్కాన్ ద్వారా మనము ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ని లేదా ఫైల్స్ని మనము కంప్యూటర్ ఫార్మేట్లో ఫైల్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేసి సేవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, సెండ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ద use of scanners. So in the Xerox machines we may use hard copies, whereas in the scanners we may use computer files, that is soft copies. Generally these scanned copies are used at various operations like various applications like to upload your documents and photos and others. Another important input device is called as stylus. Stylus also one input device. It is mostly used in screen devices like tabs, smartphones and other touch screen devices. It's also used to select some options, drawing something like that. So what are the output devices? What are the different types of popular output devices? What are the popular output devices used are like webcams, printers, headphones, monitors, microphones, speakers.
5/6.
All these are standard output devices. All these are standard output devices. What is the output devices? Output devices are used to display or show the output of a result or output of a program on the screen or a hard copy to the user. So generally what are the standard output devices are monitors and printers. So an output device is any hardware component, the device that receive information through the input devices called as output devices. Three commonly used output devices are a printer, monitor and speakers. So what are the formatting, what are the standard and popular output devices? Means printers, monitors and speakers. So monitor is the standard output device. So generally monitors are used to display something on the screen in the form of some text or anything. Generally monitors have some pointers called as cursors used to move around the screen area by using arrow keys like left arrow, right arrow, top arrow, bottom arrow. So monitors are different types. It is the most common output device. Generally they are used to display something on the screen or video. Video means video display unit, the device that show the output on the screen. So monitors are different types like color monitor, black and white monitors, LCD, LEDs. So popular monitors are LCD and LED. And monitors are also available in different sizes like 17 inches, 18 inches, 17 inches, 21 inches, 25 inches. So generally the size of a monitor is measured in or the quality of the monitors are measured in resolution, measured in the terms of resolution. What is a resolution? Means the quality of the output of a monitor means the high quality or high resolution monitors generally give high outputs, and these resolutions are generally measured in pixels, measured in pixel, pixel. What is a pixel? Pixel means picture element. Generally there are different types of resolutions, like 1024 into 700, 700 into something. High resolution means high quality, low resolution means low quality, and different sizes of monitors are also available, like 17 inches, 21 inches, 25 inches, and different modes like LCD and LED also. So different types of sizes of monitors, the 17 inches, 21 inches, 25 inches, like different modes or different types of resolutions or quality. LCD monitor and LED. LCD means liquid crystal display. LED means liquid enhanced display. So monitor is the most common output device. Like printers. Printers are also most commonly used output devices. Printer is the standard output device. Means generally it is used to take printout or hard copy on a paper, on a different types of papers, like different sizes of papers, A4, A5, A6, A6, and legal, like that. So like monitor, printer also one of the output device. Through the given action or event, a print document, printer is a device that print the documents. Generally printers are used to take the hard copy of a document on different sizes of the paper, like A2, A3, legal, and in two types of printing also, portrait and landscape. Portrait means from top to bottom printing, and the landscape means from left to right printing, horizontally. Portrait means vertical printing, landscape means horizontal printing. So printers are also very different types of printers are there. First one is simple printer, laser printer, digital printers, and other printers. So basically printers are two types: impact printer and non-impact printers. Impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers means there may be some header, or there may be a direct interaction of the header, print header on the paper. It is called as an impact printer. Impact printers means generally in impact printers the header or the needles of the header generally touches on the surface of the paper. It is called as an impact printer. Whereas non-impact printers means by using there is no direct interaction between. So basically printers are of two types: impact printer and a non-impact printer. Impact printer means we may use some headers, physical header. Header is nothing but it is a device or some part of the printer, and only used to interact through by using some head. And by using some head we may impose some characters of the printer on the surface of the paper. Non-impact printers means there is no direct interaction. There is no direct interaction of the header, printer header on the surface of the paper. Again, printers are of different types. First one is dot matrix printers. Second one is laser printer. Third one is some desktop printers, plotters, like that. So desktop printers means the dot matrix printers are the oldest printers, and these printers are generally print the document on a paper by using some print head and pins. They are impact printers. They are impact printers. Generally, a printer head is used to print something on the surface of the paper, and it is the lowest cost printers. And print quality is low. Print quality is low, and cost is also high. The speed of the printing, generally the speed of a printer is measured in the ppm. ppm means prints per minute. Generally the speed of a printer is measured in ppm, that is prints per minute. So the speed of the printer is also less. Second type of printer is desktop printers. Desktop printers are high quality output printers, and the cost is low or less. The quality of the print is high, and the refilling cost, or the refilling of the printer cartridge is also high. Generally, it takes it takes some cost to fill the refill and use it. So refilling of the printer is also high, but they give some high quality output. They are called as desktop printers. The speed of the printer is less or low. Next is laser printer. Third type of printers are called as laser printers. Laser printers are they give high quality output, high speed printers, and high quality printers, and they are very costly printers, but they give high quality outputs. So these are the different types of printers, basically of two types: impact printer and non-impact printer. Second one is desktop printers, and dot matrix printers, and laser printers. So these are the different types of printers available in different sizes and different quality. Speakers. Another standard output device is speakers. Speaker means generally it is an output device used to deliver some voice audio by using some device called speaker. So speaker is also one of the standard output device, and these devices are used to connect to a PC or a computer to play audio and voice files. So speakers are the standard output devices for voice and audios, used for voice and audios. And they can be used to hear some music or songs like that, and used in some video conferencing, used to record some voices and audio files, and other places like presentations, meetings like. So these are the standard input and output devices. These are the standard input and output devices. ఇది మనకి కంపల్సరీ సెటప్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ ఎఫ్ఐటి ఐటీ ఆర్ ఎఫ్ఐటి ఐటీ ఆర్ ఎఫ్ఐటీలో మనకి ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్లో వచ్చే కంపల్సరీ సెటప్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఇంకా చాలా సెటప్ ఇన్పుట్ అవుట్పుట్ డివైస్ ఉన్నాయి, అవన్నీ కూడా మనం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో పెట్టుకున్నాం.